Here are 2 things that will dramatically improve your performance on YouTube in 2025. Because I'm gatekeeping nothing. As you can see here, I got 24,000 views, which is way more than I make in a month usually after I discovered this hack. I even made almost 8,000 views in 1 hour. As you can see, the first one I tried the first technique with was right here, 24,000 views in the past day. So first thing, you want to go down to settings, then you want to click on channel. And right here, you want to know something. It says keywords. Right here, you want to type in words that you hope your videos are associated with when people search these. I make a wide array of videos, so I put all the keywords that my videos are linked to right here, so that whenever people search with these words on the bar, then your videos are more likely to come up. As you can see, I added Squid Game in behind the scenes for my newest video, and it worked out amazing. But this isn't the only thing that helps. But first, why don't you consider subscribing? We're almost at 500 subscribers. On to our next point. You have to understand that YouTube's algorithm will only push your videos if the right audience can find them. So here's another way you can push your videos. So in details, you can find that whenever you upload, you can add tags. These work the same as keywords, except for keywords apply to the majority of your channel. Tags relate to your video, but it can spread out a little farther. As you can see here, I added a bunch of tags so that whenever people are searching either from United States or from the UK or Korea, or if they're looking at Squid Game recruiter death scenes or behind the scenes, they can all come across my video, thus boosting the analytics. So if you really want to grow your channel, consider using these 2 tips. Thanks for watching, and if you liked what you saw, drop a like and subscribe, and see you next time.